Boom, motherfucker.
One more target to shoot at now. Got part of his head over here.
I think that cleared over.
All that's left was his hat.
Yummy. Let's go see if we can find him. Holy shit. Just 1 pound of that shit does that?
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm saying. Half a pound is more.
Or pound and a half? 2 pounds.
Look at the pattern marking.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. There's bits of them. I have no clue where the actual...
It's probably up on the highway.
Probably. Go for it.
Yeah, well, he's not here anymore with us. But we got a bell to replace him.
Yeah. You can ring my bell.
Took him out with the 8mm Mauser. There's some more of his hat over here.
I know, there's bits of his head everywhere. It looks like an exploded black rabbit.
That shit's cool. There's like a bomb going off.
I told you, man. It wasn't...